Today we are going to see about manual testing. Why we are going to perform manual testing? Manual testing is a process to verify defects, to identify defects and ensure the application or product is working as per requirements. Okay, generally in software testing, right, we have different phases. First one will be requirement analysis. Okay, initial phase is requirement analysis. Here, suppose I am having fruits. Okay, fruit shop. Okay, I want to sell these fruits through online. Okay, example, you can store apples. I'm having apple store in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, I want to sell my products throughout India. Okay, then I'm going to contact different companies. One TCS, then Cognizant, then whatever companies. Okay, these are service-based companies. In software, right? Two types of companies we have in software industry. One is service-based, product-based. Service-based companies, examples like TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, whatever big companies we have, right? Like Mahindra. These are service-based companies. Okay. Product-based companies like we have Flipkart, Amazon. Okay. These are product-based companies. Service-based companies, right? Just they will provide services. That's it. Okay. I'm going to start the online business. Okay. Then I'm going to contact these service-based companies. Okay. I will ask them to provide. I will explain. Okay. What is my requirement? To all service-based companies. Then I will ask estimation. Okay. I will ask estimation to develop the application. This is just like the contract, right? Okay. If you see government, they will conduct contract for road. Okay. They will give tenders. Different people, they will participate and give tenders. Whoever coding less amount, they will give contract to that particular person. Here also same thing. Now TCS, okay. They will understand, okay, this guy need one application where he can sell his products through online, whatever products he is having. Now, as of now, I'm having apples. Okay, in future I may get any bananas as well. Like that, I will try to expand my online business. Okay, initially I am starting with apple throughout India. Whoever giving order, right, I will send through couriers. Okay, this is my target. I want to expand my business throughout India. For that, I need one application where people can order, okay, how many apple boxes they need. It is not a individual one, it is a kind of wholesale. Okay, TCS, okay, they will code 1 crore rupees for this, or you can say 1 crore is big. Yeah, but nowadays they are charging huge money. This is 10 lakhs, okay, now 1 crore. Then Cognizant 90 lakhs. Infosys 80 lakhs. Okay, now they will give tenders. Okay, we are going to complete your project, but our budget is 80 lakhs, 90 lakhs, 1 crore. Okay, here Infosys also good company, right? They are giving for less amount. I will try to give project to this Infosys. Okay, for project selected vendor as Infosys. Now client is fruit selling person is the client. Okay. If you see anyone, right, okay, in software industry, I am working for Citibank client. I'm working for Aspen client. Okay, a lot of clients we have. HDFC client. Okay, those are projects only. We are going to say end user. Okay, here see client. Here company is vendor is Infosys. They are going to provide service to the client. Okay, then advance amount I will pay 50 lakhs to start the work, or 40 lakhs half amount I am going to pay. Then they will start developing application. Okay, here different people, different roles. Okay, they will initially business analyst. Don't think that okay, in single project only single person will work. Okay, if single project is there, multiple peoples are there, multiple roles will be there. Okay, then here by business analyst, let's take Sriram as business analyst. Okay, what is his role? He need to connect with client and get the requirements. Okay, requirements are like okay, how your application should be. First, we need to have user registration. Then we have sign in. Like this, he will collect all requirements from the client. Then he is going to inform, okay, today I connected with the client. These are the requirements. He is going to define everything in Notepad or Word or in system as well. Okay. Nowadays, most of the people they are going to capture in system only. Example, if they are using Jira, they are going to create as a stories where developers can access. Okay. Next we have Scrum Master. Scrum Master, he used to facilitate meetings. Okay, he will ask client, okay, when you want to schedule, you want to see demo. Okay, our team developed the application, they want to demonstrate to you, they will contact to Scrum Master, he will contact to the client, he will get the timings based on his availability, we are going to schedule a meeting. And also daily we have stand up meetings as well. every day, right? Okay. You have stand-up meetings if you join any organization. Scrum Master, he is going to conduct here. Then we have product owner. Generally, so in nowadays, right, client also they are calling this as product owner. Next, we have developers. Then project manager is there. In small organization, right, there won't be anything. Okay, only bigger organizations, these people are mandatory. Okay, business analyst, scrum master, then client, product owner, he will join calls as well. Developers will be there. Here, developer Jahnavi and Roja. Then project manager Praveen. See, testers. Okay, here both include manual and automation. Nowadays, I right. Okay, we need to perform both manual and automation testing. Automation testing is very easy. Okay, no need to study anything. Okay, if you are good in basic English, you can able to perform manual testing. Only to automate any manual test cases, we need knowledge in core Java for automation testing. We need to start learning core Java. Then we are going to start with Selenium, TestNG, Maven. Okay, these people are mandatory to work in any projects. If only bigger organization, they use it to have this many people. Then UI UX also, okay, how the application should be. UI, user interface and user experience. If you see any application, right, there will be separate team. See, this designs, right, UI UX team, they are going to design. Okay, here if you click this button, this is the first screen. After launching application, we need to see this. If you see Flipkart, they will design it differently. Okay, this is about UI UX. They will work on HTML, CSS. Just they will design the front end. Okay, to click this button, it should be workable. Developers, they will make the code. See here, it is showing white color, right? Font size. Amazon logo is font is in white color. Tomorrow client will come. Okay, I want this font size will be little bit bigger than here. Then it should be in blue color, green color. He will give requirements like that. Based on his requirement, we are going to work. Okay, UI UX team will be there. This many people. Okay, every day we have meetings as well at the start of the day. Suppose your office timings are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. But nowadays, right, 9 hours we need to work in office. 1 hour for break, snacks for 30 minutes, lunch for 30 minutes, like that they will provide break. 8 hours we need to work. In these 8 hours, again we have meetings as well. It will go 1 hour for meetings. Okay, if you are going to office, right, complete time will go like that only. Meetings, then breaks, then lunch break. Maximum people they won't work in office. Okay, only work from home. Nowadays people are working fine. Okay, productivity is also good. Office timings 10 to 10. Okay, 10 o'clock we have meeting. 10 a.m. Team need to attend meeting. This is stand up meeting. Scrum meeting, stand up meeting. Okay, this is a quick call. Okay, just 10 minutes. Entire team they need to give updates individually. Okay, They will show the Jira board. Okay, on this particular story, who is working? What is the status? Uh, Scrum Master, he will ask. Okay, Mr. Ravi Kumar, what is the status about this story? Are you facing any challenges? Can you please tell us the status? You identify any defects while testing this story. You need to quickly update. Okay, while they testing this story, I identified two defects. I logged those two defects. You need to mention the ID. Still, I have pending stories to test. I'm going to continue on the same. Like this, you are going to update. Otherwise, if you are working on automation testing, yeah, today I worked on regression automation test cases. I automated 5 test cases. Soon I will share the results after execution. You need to give updates like that. Okay, suppose if you are facing any challenges, you don't have access to the application, you can inform. Recently I joined, okay, still I did not got access to the application, waiting for the access. Meanwhile, I'm going through the application on test cases, existing test cases. Okay, proper KT session they will give you. That is knowledge transfer. Once if you are joining in any organization, they will explain what is the application, what you are going to work. First, you need to understand the application. Straight away, okay, if I am saying that, okay, go and test this application, you can't able to understand. First, I am going to explain what is this application, what people are going to do with this application. I will explain you. If you have any doubts, you can ask in that KT sessions itself. Okay. Then here 10 minutes, right? Entire team, they need to give updates. Yesterday, what task you completed? Today, what task you are going to continue? You need to say that, okay? Don't explain everything, each and everything, okay? Today, I created 5 test cases. First test case, this is the one. For second test case, don't explain like that, okay? It is a quick call. Entire team, they need to cover in 10 minutes only. Don't take much time, okay? It is high level one. After call, you can discuss, okay? Today, I worked on user story one. I have some doubt. I need to discuss on this. Okay. At the end of the meeting, again they will call you. Scrum Master, he will note down. Ravi is having doubt on this particular story. Client, we need to get clarification from client. We can ask. Okay. Like this complete things are going to work in any organization. Different phases should be dealt. Like initial stage requirement analysis, then we have test planning, then test case development. Okay. Then we have high level, I will tell you. Manual testing, right? I am saying, okay. Uh, as of now, around 200 members joined through training, right? Everyone, whoever selected for manual testing, right? Without any support, they started working by their own. Okay. No need to worry. Manual testing is very easy thing. Don't concentrate more on manual testing. Try to learn the automation testing. Okay. Then the entire team will be there. They will give updates. Once, okay, they will inform this project is will be completed within 1 year. Every month, right? They used to connect from client side. Okay, what is the application status? They will show demo as well. What is the status? Okay. To perform manual testing, right? At least you need to know basic English and also you need to know how to write test cases. Okay. Here, first we are going to design the test scenarios. Always we are going to design by with the test scenario. Okay. Test scenario will be like high level. description of a particular functionality need to be tested. Example, okay. What is the functionality here? If you take this application, or you can take this one as well. Okay, here you see different modules we have: Amazon TV, Shell, best seller, today's deals, mobiles, customer service, then new releases, Prime. Okay, these are the modules. Okay, suppose if I am going to work on mobiles, see after clicking mobiles, you need to ensure here it should display three tabs. One is smartphones, one is accessories, another one new launches. These are the three tabs. See, you need to ensure these three tabs are working fine or not. Okay, then let's tell you. Yesterday we saw right application. If you see here, user registration. This is the scenario I need to test. High level scenario, I am going to write like this. Let's try to write in Excel so that it will be easy for you. Okay, most of the companies, some companies still they are using Excel only. Serial number, test scenario, test case ID, test case name, test case description. Okay, so most of the companies we are not going to write test case as well. We'll give this as TC, test case, TC. Test scenario we are going to define as TS. Okay, you need to understand this. Test scenario underscore 001. You can mention ID as well. Then you can mention name also directly. TS underscore 001 for this. We are going to insert one. TS name, TC description, precondition, test steps. Here, expected result. After execution, we are going to update the actual result. Then you need to update the status, whether it is pass or fail. If you identify defects, you are going to mention the defect ID. Okay, this test case got failed. We are going to log the defect. Prepared by, executed by. Like this. This is generic one I am going to explain. It may vary, depends on companies. Some companies, they won't write all these things. Okay. Serial number one, test case name, then what is the actual result, expected result. That's it. They are not going to write completely detailed one. And we are going to add borders as well. Serial number one, this ID, TS underscore one. This is the scenario one. Here I am going to give verify the user registration process. Test case ID, verify successful user registration. Test case ID, right? Okay, let me shift from here to test case ID will be TC underscore 001. For this particular scenario one, we are going to write first test case. Then test case description, user registration. Precondition, user should have access to the application. This is the precondition. Without access, we can't able to create the account. Okay, test steps. Open Chrome browser. Alt enter. Enter URL. This is the URL. Next, we make this enter. Third step, enter valid or mandatory fields. Like first name, last name, email ID, password, and confirm password. Then last step will be click on register button. Okay, expected result. If you want to write, okay, individually write. For each step, you need to write here. Chrome browser should be opened. Like this. For each step, you can write expected result. Okay, most of the companies, they are going to write single expected result. Oh. Chrome browser should be opened. User able to enter URL. Alt enter. User able to enter all mandatory fields. User able to click register button. Then actual result, yes. If all steps are working, user registration successful. Like this. Okay. If suppose user registration not successful, then test case will be failed. You need to mark this as failed. You can change this as red color like this. If it is pass, we are going to keep this as pass and change the font size as green color. Okay. If it is fail means we are going to keep this as red color. If it is pass, we are going to keep this as green color. Like this, each and every test case we need to define. For a single scenario, we can write multiple test cases. Verify user registration success with mandatory fields. Here, with all fields, not only mandatory, we need to submit with all fields, whether it is mandatory or not mandatory. Single scenario, we can write multiple test cases as well. Here also, these two related to the same. I am going to do like this, merge center. Where is this? Because these two test cases are belongs to this particular scenario. Still, if you want to write, you can write. Verify user registration not successful without mandatory fields. Like this. We can define multiple test cases under single scenario. Okay. If you see the definition, high level description of a particular functionality need to be tested. This is high level functionality which you want to test. Then test case is the detailed one. In most of the interviews, they will try to ask this question. Okay, they want to check your basics, whether you can able to explain this. Test scenario, high level description of a particular functionality need to be tested. Okay, test case, this will be like detailed set of instructions that manual testers they need to follow. Follows to perform. It is detailed one. Okay. Okay. Another example I can say. Okay, scenario in real time, right? Real life. Suppose I want to go to the Hyderabad Chilkur Balaji temple, but my starting point should be like Amirpet. I need to start from Amirpet, then I need to reach Chilkur Balaji temple. Here, different ways will be there. That is my scenario. I need to reach Balaji temple. Here, test cases will be like different roads. If you go through Banjara Hills, It will take 1 hour time. If you go through KPSP, it will take 45 minutes. These are the test cases. How we are going to achieve the functionality. Here, multiple test cases should be there to cover the scenario. You can say this example as well. Through metro, if you are going right, it will take less time. If you are going through bike, it will take more time. Through car, because traffic will be there. Metro, it will go in simple way. There won't be any traffic for metro. Okay, different test cases will be there. But what is our agenda? What is our objective? We need to reach Balaji temple. That is the scenario we are going to test. Here, multiple test cases. Here, positive, negative, going in bike, going in car, going in train, going in shortcut, going in long way, highway. These are the test cases. Okay. Sometimes if car breakdown, right, it will take another, that is the unexpected one. Car breakdown means that is negative test case. Okay. Without entering details, you need to try to register, try to perform register without entering data. Without fuel, you are starting, then in middle, you are going to stop. Okay. If you want to test any single functionality, you need to write multiple test cases. This is the scenario. What is our scenario? Verify user registration. Scenario. Test case is okay here, not this one. 1 minute. I need to update. These are the test cases. Okay. Control X. Here scenario will be only one. Verify user registration process. Scenario will be one. Okay, we are going to design the multiple test cases. Merchant center. Okay. Under this scenario, we can write 5 test cases, 10 test cases. What are all the possible scenarios we can cover here? Again, for particular test step, these are the things we need to write. User registration.